What's going on, creators? So recently I've been getting requests to do certain tutorials for GarageBand iOS, and one that stood out to me was a request to remake Old Money by Playboy Carti. So shoutouts to Aaron7 for the request. So let's dive right in. All the synth sounds are from GarageBand, and the drums and 808s are from my new drum kit 100 kit. Check it out, link is in the description. If I spent more time, I could have gotten the synth sounds close to the original, but I didn't want to spend hours going through different presets and tweaking them, but I think I got pretty close to the original. Okay, so tempo is 163 BPM, and as you can see, I have 32 bars. First, we'll be dissecting the melodic element. I'm gonna start with the first track. So the first synth sound is called Epic Cloud Formation from Alchemy Synth, and here are the settings that I use to achieve this sound. Next, I layered it with the synth preset called Anthemic Lead and had it set to pumping sidechain setting. And here's what that sounds like. And as you can see, both of these synths are playing the same notes. It's playing A, F, G, D. Next, I had this cloud bass sound only on the intro, first 8 bars. I think on the original beat you can hear some sort of a Reese bass playing throughout the whole beat, but I decided to only include it in the intro. Next, I added this synth sound right here, and how I achieved this is by resampling this modern R&B lead sound that I have muted. The reason why I decided to resample this is because when I play the MIDI version, it does some sort of a weird glide on the second half of the melody, and I couldn't figure out why I was doing that. So I duplicated the track, made it an octave lower, and then I merged this track. This is how you turn your MIDI into audio. And I decided to only use this portion right here, and I simply looped the rest to achieve this. Now let's get to our drums and 808s. This portion of the beat is very simple. We have the clap hitting on the downbeat. I'm using the 100 Kid Clap 1 sound. And here's their first 808. I'm using the 100 Kid 808 1 sound. Next is the hi-hats, hitting on every 16 beat, pretty straightforward. After we have this pattern, copy and paste our hi-hat pattern we made. Take out this note right here to achieve this pattern. Then we have the second 808, which sounds like this. I'm using the 808 from my 100 kit, and as you can see, I also increased the attack to achieve this sound. And there you have it. Hope you guys learned something from this video. Hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. On my next start to finish video, I'll be showing you guys how to